Hello my dear students, come to the most important chapter, and the chapter is consists of 20 marks problem in our final examination, and name of the chapter is final accounts. So final accounts consists of one problem in our final examination, that too 20 marks problem. We don't have any changes. The one problem we have to solve in our final examination. So we must be concentrate on our final accounts chapter, because of definitely we will get 20 marks problem. 20 marks out of 20 we will get in our final examination. So each and every process of problem is depends on some of the conditions. That condition we have to satisfy before the solving problem in our final examination. We have to assume the proformas relating to the final accounts. So the proformas relating to the final accounts consist of two proformas, namely profit and loss account. It will also consist of trading account. First of all, we have to prepare trading account, and next part goes to profit and loss account, and the final part goes to balance sheet. So these three procedures are most important while entering each and every transaction into suggested proformas. As well as we have to learn and we have to know each and every transaction where we have to convert, that will be in trading, profit and loss, or balance sheet. So that is most important why we are recognizing the transaction into the proforma. Once again I am repeating, when we are going to enter any transaction in three proformas, the transaction must be satisfy the condition which is relating to which part of proforma is important. Before that we have to bypass the proforma, then we are going to solve the problem. As well as now I am starting the problem. After the explanation about the problem, we will come to know the proformas, as well as how to represent the proforma names, as well as how to enter the transaction into three stages. Now I am reading the problem. Reading problem is must be concentration is important, right? Come to the problem. That is most important. Definitely we will get at least 10 transactions into our final examination along with adjustments. The problem from starting to end is most important. By understanding the problem, definitely we will get 20 out of 20 marks. Right? Come to the problem. Prepare final accounts of Mr. Akash for the year ended 31st December 2019 from the following trial balance. Here the scrutiny is asking to prepare final accounts of Mr. Akash in the year of 2019 December 31st. So this is the part belongs to trial balance. Right? Once again I am repeating, debit balance and credit balance. This part is belongs to trial balance. Based on given trial balance, we have to solve the trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet. After this proforma, we have to see the adjustments which are relating to the transaction of trial balance. Each and every adjustment having two-way transactions. Once again I am repeating, every adjustment of individual transaction is important. And individual transaction must be having double time satisfaction of the transaction. That will be deduction or addition. Deduction and addition transaction will be converted into balance sheet. That may be of liability or asset. So when we are going to read the adjustments, before that we have to mark the two-way transactions of the trial balance. Right? Come to the first one. This is relating to which type of proforma? Right? Building. Here we have buildings, but 1,50,000. So building is an asset, or it is a liability, or it is a expenses. So that we have to convert in our brain. So we have to assume the buildings, and it will be converting into our brain. We have to think it will be converting into which type of proforma, and we have to assume buildings is nothing but it is a property. So property belongs to asset. So asset is alphabetically represented as A. Is it clear? I am assuming the buildings, and I have to think it will be goes to in which type of proforma. After identifying, I am just giving a alphabetical indication. It will be goes to which type of part. Next, power. Power is nothing but it is a expenses. Expenses is nothing but it will be converting into trading account, debit side. How I am thinking about it will be converting into trading account, debit side is nothing but we have to assume. Before that we have to learn the proforma. Then only we have to solve the problem. Before knowing the proformas about the transaction, we are not able to solve the solution. Right? Power is nothing but it is a direct expenses. All direct expenses always mean trading account, debit side. T dot D. T is nothing but trading account. T is nothing but debit side. We have to write. Next one, commission. So commission is given in debit side. It is nothing but paid. So all payments are called indirect expenses. All indirect expenses will be in profit and loss account debit side. This is called indirect expenses. It will be goes to profit and loss account debit side. P dot D means profit and loss account debit side, right? Salaries. Salaries is also a indirect expenses. It will also goes to profit and loss account debit side, right? Next, opening stock. Always opening stock will be in trading account debit side. First transaction is important. When we are going to start the pro forma, first transaction must be we have to write, that is opening stock. Other transaction we don't want to enter here. Next, trade expenses. So I am leaving trade expenses directly and how to convert this into trading and profit and loss account. One more logic is most important in trade expenses, right? Why I am not giving perfect to the trading or profit? Because of these trade expenses consist of two conditions. That conditions, end of the problem we have to know. Next one, purchase. Purchase is nothing but direct expenses. It will goes to trading account debit side, right? Next one, sales returns. Sales returns goes to trading account credit side minus. Minus symbol means in trading account we have to write. In credit side we have to subtract the 10,000. Next one, furniture. Furniture is nothing but it is a asset, right? And next one, debtors. Debtors is also asset. Machinery, it is also called asset. These all are the assets we have to assume based on our knowing the profile. And come to the next one, that is credit side balances. Capital, liability, sales, trading account credit side, purchase returns, trading account debit side minus creditors, liability. LIN means liability. And come to the adjustments. Closing stock 1,50,000. Once again I am repeating, every adjustment must be satisfied. Two type of satisfaction. This closing stock goes to trading account credit side as well as asset.